In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Replit subscription. To get started, open the Replit app or website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Replit logo located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. After you're on the account page, look at the left-hand side and find the Billing option, then click on it. Here, you'll be able to see details about your current subscription. Next, click on Manage Subscription. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the option to cancel your subscription and downgrade your plan. Click on Cancel Subscription and Replit will show you which plan you'll be downgraded to and what features you'll lose access to. To proceed, click on Continue to cancel. You'll then be asked to select a reason for canceling your subscription. Once you choose a reason and confirm, your Replit subscription will be successfully canceled. That's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you out. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.